Okay, this is a Honda Accord Key Fob 2022 to 2024. Push button start. You're going to take it and push the little button here. Pull out the key. And the easiest thing is a flat bladed screwdriver. So you're going to put the screwdriver between there and there. You just want to get it under there a little bit and give it a twist, and I'll pop it open. Okay, lay that aside. Battery's under here. Notice that it's a CR2032, plus side up. You can use the screwdriver again to carefully pry it up. And then the reverse, you would take a new fresh battery, put it in like so. Okay, once you replace the battery, goes in like that. Make sure both sides are tight. See, no seam. Then it goes a big loud click. And that's it, you're done.